Supreme Court has just quashed the decision of the High Court, making the recollation by the Electoral Commission wrong, meaning 6 seats goes back to the NDC till the case has properly been heard. Before I get confused, let me explain it in the simplest way. On 7 December, Ghanaians voted. Days after, we saw videos where it was alleged that NDC members went to polling stations for which the Electoral Commission officials declared in the favor of NDC. So the EC later came to state that you cannot force our officials to declare in your favor. Therefore, we are going to recollate and we are going to redecide on who actually wins the seat for those constituencies. Days after again, MPP were like, ECR delayed, so they filed a case of mandamus in court. Now, just as I explained last month, mandamus is a legal weapon that compels the government or an authority to act. So they filed a case compelling the EC to act. But the NDC had a problem. Now, the NDC's problem was that you cannot decide this case without hearing our side or giving us the opportunity to defend ourselves. So they filed a case to the Supreme Court, which is the highest court of the land, that what happened in the lower court is a breach of natural justice. And one principle of natural justice, which is an important ingredient of every legal case, is that all parties to the case must be heard, the right to fair hearing. So this case before the Supreme Court was decided today, and the Supreme Court said no, what the lower court did was wrong. We are not concerned about who is to win or who rightfully won, but the court processes must be done well. If it must be done, it must be done well. Therefore, we as the Supreme Court are cancelling the decision of the previous court, and we are referring the matter to another judge in that lower court to handle the case properly. It is important to note that the court did not state that the redeclaration by the EC making some MPP parliamentarians the new winners of some seats are wrong. No, the court only stated that the previous decision by the High Court is wrong, thereby questioning it. However, they all bear the same effect, because the latter still makes the EC's redeclaration making some MPP parliamentarians the new winners of some constituencies wrong, meaning the old NDC winners are those that are recognized currently by the law. However, it does not mean the NPP has lost. No, it does not mean the EC has also failed. No, they simply need to go back to the previous court for the right processes to be done. And once the right processes are done, and it comes to the fact that they need to recollate, they need to redeclare, then anyone that wins becomes the legitimate or rightful winner of that parliamentary seat. Once the documents are released, I'll come back here to explain it very well to you. You might not see this page again, so kindly follow, kindly subscribe. Until we meet again, I'm Gida Brown. This is the Law Ghana. Stay safe. Signing out.